So what are your top tips then, Chris? We did talk about it, with equipment and how you got into paranormal. When you was a beginner then, what tips can you now suggest to the people that are wanting to go into paranormal but are afraid to openly tell their parents, I think I'm going to go into paranormal? What are your top tips for them alone? You're thinking, if you're going into the paranormal, what's your views? What's your tips?
Yeah, my tip would be to probably do a protection. Now that means if you are religious, maybe you could sort of say a prayer. You need to do something before you start, like a doorway, like a gate, so that when you are done investigating, you can walk back through that door, take off the protection, and say, okay, I am now switched off from it. Spirits cannot affect me. A lot of people watch ghost programs and they think that they open up their mind to the spirit world. And in a way, I think they do. So you need to close it off. That's what I would do, because you will get home and something will fall over and make you jump. And then the first thing you will think is, a ghost has followed me home. So you need a psychological crutch, a switch off of, no, it hasn't, because I did protection. I said the prayer. I blessed myself. You need an opener, a little. I always say this at the beginning, and then you need a closer. That's what I would say, because the psychological damage you could do if you're absolutely terrified, you get what you're asking for. Yeah, you need to be able to put a shield up. That's my best thing.
Well, thank you there, Chris, for giving out your special tips for beginners, because the beginners, though, Chris, you got to be honest. I mean, when you start out, they're going to be thinking, what tips can people give me? I'm new to this.